In front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and clicking on this sun icon right next to the brightness slider. As you can see, my icon is now gold. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, select the Display section after scrolling down, and click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!